Let's talk about the history of origami. Origami is a traditional Japanese craft and a wonderful art. Origami works are made by folding paper. The paper was born in China. It was around the 2nd century BC. It is said that an official called Sairin invented it. This paper was introduced to Japan around the 4th or 5th century. It is said that the person who taught it was a monk called Doncho. At that time, paper was very important for writing Buddhist scriptures. Paper began to be made all over Japan. Paper made in Japan is called Washi. Washi paper eventually came to be used for rituals at Shinto shrines. This is Shide. This folded paper is believed to ward off evil spirits. This is Katashiro. These paper dolls are used in rituals to exorcise human sins and impurities. During the Heian period, people began wrapping offerings to the gods in paper. In the Muromachi period, rules were established for how to wrap and fold paper. This is called the Girei origami. The Girei origami was part of the education of people of high status. Paper decorations called noshi are still used at events such as weddings and funerals. This is what continues from this, the Girei origami. During the Edo period, many kinds of paper began to be made in various parts of Japan. Paper became cheaper and more common people could afford it. They created the Yugi origami by referring to the Girei origami. It is an origami method that allows you to enjoy the process of folding itself. This was the beginning of origami, which continues to this day. In 1797, Secret Thousand Cranes Origata was published. This is a book that introduces how to fold various types of paper cranes. This is the oldest origami book in the world. Paper cranes is one of the most famous origami. In Japan, cranes are believed to live 1,000 years and are much loved. It is believed that if you fold 1,000 origami cranes, your wish will come true. Folded 1,000 paper cranes are often dedicated to shrines. In the Meiji period, origami was incorporated into early childhood education. It still continues today, and many children in Japan can fold origami. Origami is very popular now. There are origami enthusiasts all over the world, and many types of new origami creations are being created. We can easily find origami at bookstores, stationery stores, 100-yen shops, etc. in Japan. What is your favorite origami? Please continue to enjoy origami. Thank you very much for watching.